Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Marble Race Mania. This race today is an extremely wet street circuit and the contestants are off. And as you can see, the weather is already taking a huge impact on the marbles. It's extremely slow out there today and they'll be fighting against the elements. I must have the deep divers on this one. Oh, but it's not, it's the Green Goblins who are currently in the lead with a whole tenth of a second advantage. And as you can see, oh, we've already got 3 racers out. 3 racers have been eliminated. They've caught themselves in the pavement and will not be continuing. And it appears to, oh, that's a bubble. Blue appears to be up in front, and Blue have just nicked it right at the end. We have Blue, then Green Goblins, then the Yetis. I will leave you now with the podium ceremony. Only 5 finishing today, that is a shock.